What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're just riding around.
Oh, freaking crap.
And I wish I had better lighting. But we're like on Pinsey Trail, which has like no lighting, so. We're about to get off of it though in a little bit. Let's see. The lights look green, but
What the heck?
they're not.
Wait!
I got this. I got this.
I am Superman.
So, this is trespassing, but I ride here every day, so. You guys can't see, but we're in a parking lot right now, riding around.
Hi!
Like I said, wish I had better lighting. But, see my house?
Superman, let's go!
I'm surprised we aren't getting followed. What?
I went into a puddle.
Got him.
No.
But
I knew it! We're going
it took you this long to figure that out.
No, I said it at the beginning. You're like, no.
I know, but I just connected to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, that's better.
We're at my house. I kind
I
of.
hit my knee on my bike.
We're gonna take a little break. Well, I'm gonna pause it and then resume it when we're gonna go again. So, see you guys. Alright, guys, I'm resuming it again. So, we're about to go. We got a little break.
Hi.
I think we're gonna go down that alley.
What alley?
That one. Wait, no, there's a person down that alley.
Yeah, we could get low because you don't know. We could get
Okay, that person looks like it's going north towards us, so let's go. Swear to God, this person chases us. Like it's dark at night.
Look how many subscribers do you have?
5.
Wow.
Not that much.
Wait, what? Who subscribed you?
I have no idea. If they leave a comment and like the video, I could tell. And sub if you're new, guys. This is not what we do. Like, I usually play some kind of game when I'm recording. But today, it's a rainy night. It feels good.
She's with me.
Yeah. I'm going to try to get another video. In the other video, we might have 5 or 4 people. Because